I'm going to repair this headphone because the pads are loose, and I will use some tools. For example, I will use some screws, some very small screws, and I will use some drills, and I will use a drilling machine. Okay, so the first step is to unscrew these screws. I made a mold to drill the holes for the new screws. Now we can drill a hole with a 1.5 millimeter drill. First we screw the pad on one side and then we drill the holes on the other side. Now we have drilled holes on the other side. We use the screws we unscrewed from the other side and screw them tight on this side. And now the pads are fixed on the earphone again. Here we have the end result with two screws on this side and two on the other.